Hey guys, Jesse here with WRXstickers.com. In this video, we're going to show you guys how to install our 2015 WRX and STI taillight overlays. This video is going to be for the red ones. Here are the things you're going to need. A spray bottle, preferably the one that sprays a mist more than a stream. A squeegee. If you don't have a squeegee, you can use an old ID or credit card. A brand new or really sharp razor blade to trim the excess. And optionally, a heat gun or blow dryer. And this is optional because if you don't want to trim the excess, you want to mold the excess around the tail light near the trunk area, you can heat it up and squeeze it that way. In this video, we're going to show you how to trim it. Alright guys, let's do it.